Hello, Quincy Mayor Tom Koch here with a little update on our COVID-19 and this beautiful fall season. As you know, as we've talked about, we have seen an uptick in many parts of the country, certainly in Massachusetts, but we're still in decent shape overall. You'll be looking at the graph in front of you. Nothing has changed as far as the death goes. We've well over 2 months now since we've had a death to this. As we know, we've all gotten smarter and better at dealing with this virus. We didn't know really what we were confronting back in March. And unfortunately, a lot of people lost their lives because they had underlying health conditions or were in nursing homes, all kind of bunched up together. So we know now how we have to deal with things going forward. As we also know, it hasn't had a dramatic effect on young people, although we are seeing an uptick in people in their 20s having the virus. That doesn't mean they're being hospitalized, it means they have the virus. And that speaks to the issue from day one, and that is we're transmitting this either knowingly or unknowingly, and we have to protect our loved ones. We have to protect the elderly and those people that have those health challenges. So keep that in mind. The masks are important. The hand washing is important. The social distancing is important. So I want to reemphasize that. So you see that today we had 7 confirmed cases. We've been up and down the last few weeks, but I think we're in a little better place than we were a week ago. We're down to 58 active cases, but we have work to do. And I know we're going into coming to the holiday season, so that's a concern when you think about people coming together, more people indoors, parties. Again, folks, please be smart and think about those people that might be heavily adversely affected by this. Keep them in mind. This coming week, I should say next week, October 15th will be the start of the hybrid schooling in Quincy Public Schools for 4th grade through 12th grade. This is the phase 2, really. We started the season, the year with remote start, and then we went to pre-K through 3 hybrid, and now we're going 4 through 12 in the hybrid form. Now I, along with my colleagues in the school committee as well as the superintendent's leadership team, had heard from many folks on this issue, preferring remote, preferring hybrid, preferring in-person. And I just want to let everybody know that we as a school committee, we as a city, are looking at the safety of the kids first, the safety of our staff, our teachers, additionally to this. We've got great measures put in place for next week. All our exhaust systems, HVAC systems are all updated, filters changed, everything is in working order. We have masks for all the young people. We have plenty of hand sanitizer. We're going to be social distancing in the school. They won't be in the lunchroom. They'll be 6 feet apart in the classroom. There'll be separate cohorts, as we know. We'll be taking a break on Wednesdays. The schools will be, again, cleaned on a regular basis by our custodial staff. So all the measures are in place to make sure this is a safe operation. Having said that, I think it's vital we get our kids back in the schools. I know that coming down the road, we're going to have a look back on this. And I know some of you are probably aware of that already, but the mental health challenges, the social disorders, the number of things that are going to come out of this, we're going to have a look back on that this, and I understand there aren't a lot of choices here, but this whole remote learning is probably not good for a lot of kids for the social aspect of things. So it is the goal to get every kid back in full-time, in person, at some point when we as a committee and as a city feel it's safe and doable to do just that. So please know that that is the goal moving forward. I want to thank the Superintendent of Schools, Kevin Mulvey, the Deputy Superintendent, Erin Perkins, and the entire leadership team, our principals, our teachers, our staff, our paras. Everybody's working very, very hard as we speak. As you know, we've got in-person learning going on for our high needs children as well as the pre-K through 3. And next week, the 15th, we begin 4 through 12. So if you have any questions on that, you certainly can reach out to the school department or you can call our office here. In the meantime, we'll keep you posted. Enjoy the beautiful weekend. Stay tuned. God bless.